Yeah, hello. Let me show you how to run your Facebook ads in a right way. So the first thing I'm going to do is to enter business.facebook.com/overview. So once you've done that, if you don't have a business manager before, so this is the first thing you are going to do. So you create an account, a business account. So once you click it, so you enter your business name, you enter your name and your business email. So once you done that, you submit it. Once you submit, so there will be a confirmation message that will be sent to your email. So you confirm it. So the next thing you are going to do is to enter business.facebook.com/settings. So once you done that, so you click on the business account which you have already created. So once you done that, so you will add your Facebook page, your business page which you have created. So you're going to add it to your business account. So you click page. So you click the plus sign which is the add. So you add your page. So once you've done that, so you go to your Facebook account. So you locate your page which you are going to use. So once you click the page, so you highlight it and you copy it. So you paste it to where you want to add it to. So once you paste it there, you click next. Because I already added my own, so that's why the next sign is not showing. So once you add your page, you add account. In the business account, you can only add three add account in the one business that I've already added two, so the main one which you are going to add now. So you create an account. So you can name it anything you like. You can just name it. Let me see what I've named it before. So let me lab 2. Let me just put lab 2. So I'm in Nigeria, I'm in Africa. So I will leave it African Lagos. So the currency will be Naira. So it depends on the country you are watching me from. So you choose the currency you spend in your country. So I will locate Naira because you are spending Naira in Nigeria. So I will choose Naira. So I'll click next. So I'm going to confirm and create an account. So as you can see, aid account create successful. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add payment method. So you locate this billing payments. So wait for it to load. So you locate the aid account which I already created. As you can see, so you click add payment method. So I will leave it here, you click next. So this way you have to add your card, your credit card. So I'll be choosing Naira payment with MasterCard. That's a pay you method. So that's a prepaid. So click next. So that's all. You can add any amount you want to put first. That's all. For more content like this about Facebook, so you can subscribe to my page.